Now four vectors are here, x1, x2, x3, x4. We have to check the linearly dependence of the vectors x1, x2, x3, x4. We have to check whether they are linearly dependent or independent. Is there any relation between them? If there is a relation, we have to find the relation by k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus k3 x3 plus k4 x4. For that, we have to form a matrix A using these four vectors. So we will form a matrix A using these four. So we can check here. Now here number of rows are 4 and number of columns are 3. So to find the relation, there must be number of row may be less than or equal to number of column. यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ रो 4 है, कॉलम 3 है, तो नंबर ऑफ रो either less than or number of column or equal to column. So here we can do it like that. It is, we can form a matrix like that. Now here number of rows and number of columns are equal, that is 4 and 4. So it is possible. So we have to, if number of rows are more than the number of column, so we have to form a matrix like this, and then we have to find the rank of a matrix to find the relation between these four vectors. So for rank, we have to check, we have to bring the 0 here and here also, because here it is already 0. We have to bring the zeros in first column using first row. So here we have to use R2 minus 2R1, and here it is already 0. Here we have for fourth, to bring 0 in the fourth column, fourth row, first column at this element, we have to do R4 plus 3R1. So we will get 0 here and here. So this will become, this matrix will become 1, 2, 4, 0, and this 2 minus 1, 3, 0. Sorry, not 2, it is here R2 minus R1, here it is 0, then minus 1, minus 4, that is minus 5 here, and again here we will get minus 5, 3 into minus 8, that is minus 5, 0. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 0, and then last is this 0, and then R4 7 plus 3 into 2, 6, 13 plus 2 plus 12, it is 14. So we are getting like that. Now we can divide the second row by minus 5. So R2 multiplied by minus 1 by 5. So we will get here matrix A like this: 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 13, 14 and 0. Now here we have to do R3 minus R2. Now here in first column there are 0. Now we have to bring 0 here in these two elements, instead of these two elements, 1 and 13. So what can we do here using R2? So here we have to use R3 minus R2, R3 minus R2, and R4 minus 13 R2, R4 minus 13 R2. So what we will get here? 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, R3 minus R2, 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, and 0. Here 0 and 13 minus 13, 0, and 14 minus 13, 1, 0. So now we have to bring 0 here. So what we have to use? We have to use R4 minus R3. So we will get 1, 2, 4, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now we can't bring 0 here. So here number of non-zero rows are 3. First row, second row, third row. Here some elements are there. So only one row is the 0 row. So number of non-rows are 3. So rank of a matrix A is 3. So that means we can say 3 vectors x1, x2, x3 are linearly independent, but using 4 maybe they are linearly dependent. So we have to find the matrix A from this A0, 1, 2, 4. We have to consider 3 by 3 matrix. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, minus 1, 3, and 0, 1, 2. And we will find the determinant of A, and that is we are getting suppose minus 5. So it is not equal to 0. We have to find determinant of A, and we are getting minus 5, that is not equal to 0. So we can say 3 vectors x1, x2, x3 are linearly independent. Now rank of matrix A is 3 here. So 3 vectors are linearly, and determinant of A of 3 matrix, 3 row, third row, 3 row and 3 column, 3 by 3. Determinant of A of that matrix is not equal to 0. So 3 vectors are linearly independent, but using 4 maybe they are linearly dependent. So rank is so rank of A is 3 here. So these 3 vectors are linearly independent, but using 4 may be linearly dependent. So rank of A is 3. So we will find leading minor is a determinant of 3 by 3 from A, starting from first. 1, 2, 4, 2, minus 1, 3, 0, 1, 2. And the determinant is just now we have seen that it is equal to minus 5, not equal to 0. So the cofactors of last column will give the values of K1, K2, K3 and K4. So how we will get the K1, K2? K1 is the cofactor of this 0. And that how can we get it? Minus. Why we are considering minus here? क्योंकि ये एलिमेंट फर्स्ट रो फोर्थ कॉलम, तो हम लेते हैं ना -1 1 + 4 दैट इज 5, इसलिए -1 लिया यहाँ पे. इसका कोफैक्टर यानी इस के एलिमेंट और ये के एलिमेंट छोड़ देंगे, तो 2 -1 3 0 1 2 -3 7 2. इसका डिटर्मिनेंट निकालेंगे एंड इसका डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू है 9. So it is equal to -9 आ रहा है, तो it is 9. Okay. Then K2 is the cofactor of this one. तो K2 कैसे मिलेगा? K2 के लिए हम लेंगे डिटर्मिनेंट, ये एलिमेंट और ये एलिमेंट छोड़ देंगे, that is 1 2 4 0 1 2 -3 7 2, and we have to solve this one and we will get it -12. Then we will find K3 is the cofactor of this element. It is again minus, and 1 2 4 2 -1 3 and -3 7 2. We will solve it this one and we will get it -5. So it is equal to +5. Then we will find K4. K4 is again plus, and the 1 2 4 2 -1 3 0 1 2, and this we are getting -5. So the values of K1, K2, K3 are 9, -12, 5 and -5. So these 4 vectors are linearly dependent using K1 x1 plus K2 x2 plus K3 x3 plus K4 x4 is equal to 0. That is, put the value of K1 here, 9x1 minus 12x2 plus 5x3 minus 5x4 is equal to 0. So this is a relation between x1, x2, x3, x4. They are linearly dependent, and how they are related? Using this one. So this is the matter.